to undermine Ghanaian leadership and to mind the elders of this country.
Na Angalote, Sabra na muka asa Akufo akwaji 5 million bribe no. Eno eye adwuma ma party ni enya political gain be out of it.
And we won the election.
Through that machinations.
No, not through that. Apart from that organization, the Akufo, Akuboko, Kumasi, and those kind of things.
Kofo so the Akuboko Kumasi,
and that's what we saw the fishermen, and they bought into it.
Hey,
free SHS, free SHS. Obama daji politician, a platform down will be a mapado, and then will be a toilet in will weapon them, because these kids gradually being educated freely will come out with knowledge of there. Asama Ozumeti again or Yanokwa, Asama Ozumeti again or Yanokwa, you own to me here, you owe to my here. People will decide.
Okay, FM.
Hey, it's coming close.
Edi me to asia then times no na the entro no e so orchestrated say there be a obegina bia no mo wose de mbeka hey moto makofo a wode po no e be kokumase
Mama gejo Wow. Yama advanced team oko no can lay the grand foundation there Charlie Asamo Risa Obi Baba Bada Ekwasibi Owombo na ebia yama wa lodge ni yangu bia ne party mama bi no can some dama na some no answer na yembe ibu yaba
bedi katetia free yo sa wan yeti Sami di bedi Avram Ben Moshe eti. Sami di bedi Kwame Kwasi A plus eti no. Can be join the NDC. Yes, sorry, but I have to say that. Sami di bedi join the San Kwasi Afo we eti no. And can be join the NDC. Unu di time di bedi join the NDC. Anya she kura no. NDC ebu aman ama mehupen. Anya she kura no. Rollins of free NDC. Yo, Ghana and shit, Ghana Jantum. Say a didio, Ghana and shit, Ghana Eja Antum. Now, Mekofa John Dramani Mahama, even though the track record wasn't the best, he has a track record. What in American I say? His track record of John Dramani Mahama might not be the best, but he has a track record. My question to Kwasiaka Techie Free Faith. One more no big kasa say krama ya brado e jibi fo no big fo no what is their blueprint or where is their blueprint? He was a radio presenter and that is your credential, that is your qualification into Ajare no until Ghana and Fansha unsa cause a radio commentary who to me my commentary about the course of Ghana. In any case, action speaks louder than words. What did the American? Me say, who can the chair free for the name of Johnny Sanka? What did you be? If you want to know, compare the constitution. That material said they are all in the crown, a institution. Nanka Ghana, your Maya, Yajin, that one, Kawodia, never call you, you bet me at him. Ghana, and your man be a Kadiamukoyan and none of power, okay, bet me at him. Because you are inciting the violent youth against a certain government. All in the name that what? Kate Jeffrey, what is your track record as a radio presenter? What is your track record when it comes to governance? What is your track record? Me say, minimum shekra John Mahama there, minimum say no MP. Some case me check John Mahama track record of being MP amenya. Hey, Mr. Domama and Yashikrano, who the cycles and no board in cry, and Yashi, a interchange, a track record. Kaswa interchange, a track record. Now, maybe say, a Diana Avram Ben Moshe, track record Ben Weja. Either than so because a million winner me, Namin Niho, Mayan Boo Penny Niho, Mayan Boo Penny Biano, track record Ben Avram Ben Moshe. And profile I saw for the Nesco. If I said how the oh, quiet ya and yama. because enya adwen pa na ade call ye who so obi ya sorry near to collection ti na say na say dia Ghana for adwen mu so nti ma me so me koye sofo o call ya wuni preaching na wo preaching na ya blockade preaching nti want me hold and na fe dia also dey say dia wo som bronsam na wo bekasa no na wo we free say Jimmy nie Bible na wo say nipa na chiro ye no Bible your chiro ye no o mu chiro gu stones so if you have not studied the history of Bible but who book I will say your common sense no it has not been in circulation for even 20 years a book that is over 1,000 years old Quran which is over 1,000 years old you are telling me say I should throw Quran away nyamini ho I should throw Quran away me to Quran enkwane na me medu wo kwasiampani we ya woni ene track record abem for mo say woni ene track record. Where is your track record? Okay, Jeffrey, where is your track record? Oh, me na me general manager of Ahaneha. Me ba ya no na omusika asem wo say. Me ba ya me peda ko say. Enti me kasa muntie. Ghana is cheap. Ghana is cheap. And no about you. When they come up na Jimmy for man na ko go say chenku. Na Jimmy for man no ko go say chenku. Ne ho efe pound eh brown ne de no na body mo kra na e se pound kwasia or de obeyuse views e de akoji sika the same way kwame yesare e plus Jimmy e ba e say S Glacier kwame e plus didn't he say the same afemu amusimu nsua de no kwame e plus ba e no wa meka S Glacier asem kwame e plus o TPP o si dentia o si na rade na kopon me pacho per the constitution. A first moment in trouble answer. Okateche Frifa, Avram Ben Moshe, Captain Kwasia Kwejo Kwasiam Penny Smart. Per the constitution. Does the parliamentarians go for pension? Or be MP or pension? What to be that? What to say a pension package for anybody who went to parliament? What to be that? Mama yanka. Mo who say obi akọ parliament me yama the pension mo kan kire me. Parliamentarians do not fucking go on pension. That is why per Article 71 they fell under the presidential emolument scale. It's almost the S Glacier because you be the MP nana ukwa yenka when we enti pension they are called per the constitution. No, it is never done that way. And stupid fools, you guys know. Obi a chief executive for board, obi a worker for board, obi a nurse, obi a teacher, obi a one or call pension when the pension time comes. Obi will be MP one time on DBO. Obi will be 4 years back. And no teacher constitution, no, my junior family say, since you are more MP for no, yet the pension scheme for you, it is better we give you what is called S Gracia. But on himself, so back no be that down say S Gracia and penifone this guy who got many want to will no be jedi. Sa kwasiam pa fo we a omugo me screen isi a o manimu dwofu teja jimi fo we no. We no sorry a ye celebrities. What have you done that you should be celebrated? Obi mba dia ba ko kateche free for leading in Ghana say he led the Ghanaian youth for a demonstration to parliament. He led the Ghanaian youth for a demonstration towards this. To Utie, Alvan stupid Ben Moshe. If you are a man, take care of your stupid kids with your own hard work money. The way Akufo, a human 9 to 5, a pay sikadicha ye mano. We a bear marsh or massa. Utwe wa wo me gugu rough tan, and a upes kadia show me do that yenti. What for Ghana for Jimmy for Nibia Yajin Yajumaho, and I would that Diana would you jiska. Now would they just our man now one water takano. And a Ghana need chaho and what brand or the Najuna Brel. My first thing to you is number one, it is only fools who would think you have common sense. What you say? The other day you on your foolish space talking about and Uncle Weber, Nanka with the crime we are Manamanaye, Nanka Weber, Nanka with the crime we are Manawe. What's here your social media and the ideas are there? You fucking live in Ghana. You know where the parliament of Ghana is. And to Sanyamana Okano, Those proposals now, the best place you could have channeled it to was the fucking parliament. Stupid dumb fool. But because you don't know and your followers are shallow and mediocre, you would always lie to them. So we'll say, acquire what Ghana, yeah. Nanka buying way back because that is the thing you always trick them with. That is what you always trick them with. Say, and I buying no, say ya, and I buy you say ya.